Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back. In this session, we are going to learn one more component available in Oracle Visual Builder Cloud Service, that is Validator. So, Validator property available for input components to restrict the users to enter any random values or dummy values. Okay. So, we can discuss what kind of validators we can apply in the real-time scenarios. So these are the list of validator examples that we are going to apply for the input text fields. So first one is the restrict entered is between 3 and 7 characters. For example, I want to accept the values between these 3 and 7 characters. If the user is trying to enter the value below to 3 characters and above 7 characters, it's going to fail. Okay. And also we can restrict the max length. For example, for a number field, I want to accept up to 10 characters. Then I have to fix the max length for the 10 characters. Similarly, we can give a value range validator for numeric values, and also when you are entering the email, so it should be in proper format, right? In that case, we are going to validate the email also. Okay. So for email text field, we have to apply the email format validator. Similarly, we can apply date range validator and also mobile number validation. Okay. So these are the different kind of validators which we are going to apply. Now I am going to apply the validator logic in the employee details form. Suppose I am going to enter the random values in the first name. It will accept and it will corrupt the backend system, right? We have a requirement to where users can enter the values between the 3 to 7 characters. Okay, we should not accept less than 3 and more than 7. In that scenario, we are going to apply the validator logic. So in order to verify the validate logic, you have to go to the Oracle documentation. Okay, this is the documentation. So here you can see you want to be sure that number entered between 3 and 7 characters. Okay, to do this, add this code in the input text field. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one. Okay, this validator, copy this. Okay, go here, go to the design again, click on the first name. Here you can search with the validator, click on here. Okay, you can simply add this code. Okay, save. For example, go to the live. Here I am entering, for example, U and M. If you tab out, see, it will show an error, need 3 to 7 characters. Alright, so now we are going to apply some other logics. Okay, for example, our requirement is to we need to apply the date range. Okay, I have to accept minimum date range and maximum date range. If the user trying to enter the out of this date range, we have to give the invalid date and error message. Alright, so what I can do, just copy this. Okay, so again I'm going to the design, select the hire date and validator, click on here, apply this logic. Okay, save, go to the live. So now I'm going to select the proper date. If you tab out, no issues. Okay, it is falls under the date range. For example, if I'm selecting the date range 2007, okay, tab out, you are getting an error, enter a date on or before this range. Okay, similarly we can apply the validator logic for the mobile number, right? In order to do that, okay, so this is the mobile number validator logic. Right, so basically here type is the regression expression. We are going to accept lower and upper cases and the digits 0 to 9 digits, and your email should contain the dot and at the rate. Okay, so let me take this. Okay, so let me go to the design, mobile number. Here I am going to apply the validator. Let me switch with the validator, click on here. Okay, save. Go to the live. In the email section, for example, I am going to give ABCD tab out. See, here you can, it's showing as please enter a valid email address. For example, umashankar.ratnala@gmail.com. That it should work. Okay. So this is the way how we are going to apply the validator on the input text field. Alright. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share, and you can provide your valuable feedback. Thank you. Have a nice day.